boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a great collab here, Justin Bieber and Tems. Both of these has been here on this channel numerous times, and they do, I think, you're special. A great song here. We have 5 chords that rolls not in the same way, but the chord progressions will be in the same way through the entire song. And we use no capo for this one. It's clean fretboard. Let's go into this, and we're gonna start with E. So E goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Next chord is a bar chord, and we're gonna have a couple of those. We're gonna start with the F sharp minor. That's a bar you push down all strings here on the second fret with your index finger. Then you need to add fourth on A and fourth on D. That's the F sharp minor. Next chord is B, and again a bar chord still on the second fret with your index finger. You push down 5 strings now from this bottom and up like this, and then you're gonna add on fourth on D, fourth G, and fourth B. If you think that is a little bit too hard to get with all the fingers together like that, you can do like I do. I place just a second bar in front there on the 4th position, and make sure you push down the D, G, and B string, and sometimes you also get the E down there. Then try to avoid the strumming on that E string, so play with the strumming hand in the middle of the strings. Okay, so that's 2 ways of handling the B chord. Next is the C sharp minor. So you're gonna go up to this position, again a bar chord. Now you place your index finger on the 4th fret and you push down 5 strings there, so from bottom up like this. Then you need to add 6 on D, 6 G, and 5th on B. And we're gonna finish off with A, and it goes like that. So that will be open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And the same principle here. If you think that is too close with all the fingers to get on one fret, then you can do a short little bar there on the D string and down. And again, make sure you don't play with the strumming hand on the E string if you go all the way down. So 2 ways of handling the A, and that is also the last 5th chord that we're going to use. Now let's go into the strumming, and we're going to look into the first 2 chords because the strumming will divide it into 2 different parts. So we're going to look into the transition from E to the F sharp minor. So E goes like this, and then F sharp minor. Then you're going to use this principle for all the other chords, pair of chords. So let's look into E part first. It's down, up, clap. That's it. So, and then you go into the next chord, in this case the F sharp minor, and play down, a short pause, and then down, clap, down. That's it. So down, up, clap, down, down, clap, down. Okay. And this is just my interpretation of how to handle this song. There is no clear guitar playing in here, so this is the rhythm you're gonna get as close as possible to the range of the song when you play like this. So that's I just want to put that out there. If anyone has a different strumming pattern they're gonna use, it's okay. A lot of these solutions works here for this song and many other songs. All right, so let's look into the rest of the chords. We already learned to start here from E to F sharp minor, part 1, part 2. Then you're going to continue with B, part 1, in the same way as you play the E, down, up, clap. And then you go into A and play part 2 in the same way as you play the F sharp minor, down, down, clap, down. That's the first half. So E, F sharp, B, and A. That's the first half. Then the second half goes E, part 1, F sharp, part 2 in the same way, and then you're gonna go up to the C sharp minor part 1, and you finish off with A part 2. So the only difference here in the both halves there is that the 3rd chord will be B in the first half, and the 3rd chord will be C sharp minor in the second half. So let's do this together. E, F sharp, B, A, E, F sharp, C sharp, A, like this. that's it, guys. That's one round. You just gotta multiply that from the beginning till the very end, and you performed Justin Bieber's and Tems' I Think You're Special. Alright, guys, so hope you enjoyed it. Be back here for more uploads of Justin Bieber's new album, Swag. Alright, so hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.